Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to link one Google Sheet to another. First, let's open the Google Sheet file we want to link. Go to the address bar at the top and click the URL. This will automatically highlight the link. Right-click within the selection and click Copy from the menu that appears. Now, let's go to the sheet where you want to insert the link. Click on the cell where you want the link to appear, then type the name or label for the link. For this example, let's type scores. Now, right-click the cell, and from the menu that appears, click Insert Link. In the link box, you can either simply click your recent Google Sheet file or paste the URL of another Google Sheets file. You can also click Sheets and named ranges to choose between current sheets in your workbook. Let's go back and paste the link we copied earlier by right-clicking the field for the URL and selecting Paste. Click Apply to insert the link. Now, clicking that cell will take you directly to the linked sheet. So, that is how you link Google Sheets. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.